Welcome back. Today's video is about Wipro Elite off-campus drive. If you want to know about these details, you can check the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website Freshers Now and you will get all of the information plus the direct links to apply. All of this at one place in our website Freshers Now. Don't forget to join us to Telegram because you will be getting regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box. Wipro off-campus drive has opened its vacancy for project engineer. The eligibility criteria is as follows. So once if you head over to the official website of Wipro, you can see the job description and overview of Elite National Talent Hunt, which is going to be 2020 and 2021. Freshers hiring for the best of graduates of 2020 and 2021. The objective is taking up the initiative and providing an equal opportunity of employment to all the fresh graduates. The eligibility criteria is as follows. The education details are 10th standard, you should have 60% aggregate or above. 12th standard also same, and graduation you should aim for a 65%, or if it is under CGPA, it is 6.5 respectively. The year of passing which they are considering is 2020 graduates and 2021 as well. Qualification required is BE or a B.Tech or 5 years integrated with master's course, and branch of study is CS, IT or Circuital. The designation is for a project engineer, I mentioned earlier. 3.50 per annum is going to be given, and service agreement is going to be for 12 months post joining, which is going to be at INR of 75,000 pro rata basis. The other criteria which is going to be considered are maximum or 3 years of education gap is allowed between your 10th and your graduation. Should have done your full-time degree course from a recognized institute in India. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education is considered for eligibility, and also candidate should not have any backlogs, and candidate should have participated in any of the selection process in the last 6 months. So if you have participated in any of those selection processes, you are not eligible to apply, and should be an Indian citizen or should hold PIO or OCI nationality card. And Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit your citizenship certificate, which is essential. The selection process, you have to go through an online assessment test, and the online assessment test is going to be for 128 minutes, which comprises of 3 sections. Aptitude test, and that is going to be for 48 minutes, consisting of logical ability, quantitative aptitude and English ability. And written communication test, which is essay writing, 20 minutes time is going to give, and online programming test, 2 programs for coding, duration 60 minutes. And candidates, you can choose any of the programming language for coding test, which is Java, C, C++ or Python. And after passing the online test, then you have to undergo the technical interview. Last round is the HR interview. This is the process of selection. And reservation parameters and selection processes are a decision to Wipro. So you have to make sure that you are undergoing all the stages of selection. And note that during the online test or the interview processes, if there is any malpractices or if there is any duplication of your documents, you will be further disqualified. If you have any other queries, you can directly contact them by approaching this particular link which is given here, or you can also connect with us by clicking on here. So if you are willing to apply, you can start application and application FAQs. If you have any questions regarding this, you can check this particular section of application FAQs. So if you head over to the official website, you can see all the details. Now if you are willing to apply, you can click here, and after clicking here you will be directed to this page, which is they'll ask you to enter your email ID. After that, after you register yourself, then you will be heading over to the application process. Click on a valid email ID and mobile number, because further communication or confirmation will be given through your email, which you will be registering and which will be placing in the application form. So once you have given your email ID, you will be further directed to this particular page, which is you have to connect your account with your Facebook, Google account or LinkedIn or any Microsoft account, and then you have to upload your CV. You can upload it from computer, your Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive, and then upload your photograph. Photograph should have only white background. Then you have to create a login, which is the basic biodata details, your login, password, you have to re-enter your password, enter all of the details, your first name, middle name and last name. All of that should be according to your Aadhaar card. Next, your email address, your primary phone number. Your phone numbers and emails should be valid because further communications will be useful for accordingly. And date of birth, then nationality, identity number, your education details, and later you have to lastly submit your profile. So likewise, you have to make sure that you are filling up all of the stages which are given here. The candidate profile has 4 stages, so make sure you're completing all of the 4 stages, cross-check with that, preview it, and then submit your profile. Further queries can be placed in the comment section. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.